Hello guys, in today's video we're going to try a free AI generator. It will be on the first link down below and we're going to be testing out Recraft.ai today. So we're going to be generating high quality images and I will show you different workflows to try with Recraft and ChatGPT. So let me explain why would we need ChatGPT. In order to generate high quality images that match exactly what we want, we need a detailed image generation prompt. A prompt you can think of as text that describes what the image is going to be for AI models. So we're going to use ChatGPT, which is free, in order to generate these kind of prompts. And what you want to say is request ChatGPT to create a highly detailed prompt to generate an image of what you want to generate. In my case, I want a BMW with black color as it runs through the highway. And for some reason, actually, ChatGPT generated this image instead of giving us, the prompt. The image looks pretty nice, actually, I've got to say. Not bad work, but not very realistic. So here I asked it to don't generate an image. Okay, so this is the prompt that it has generated for us, a sleek black BMW, blah, blah, blah. We don't care. And you want to tell it, add realistic details and prompt to the text above. So we want a realistic image, all right? So we want to enrich this prompt and ChatGPT is going to do it for us with more details, more realism, and more things that will be able to drive the generation. So I'm going to copy this text over here and I'm going to Recraft. So what you want to do is actually sign in on Recraft. The link will be in the description down below. And for free, you've got this amount of credits every day. You want to create a new project, all right? So let's create a new project. And I'm going to do two tests for you. So I want to generate an image. So I'm going to write BMW in highway at night. All right, so I'm asking it with no prompt engineering. Let's put like, this aspect ratio over here by the slider. I'm just using this very simple, silly prompt. So I'm going to ask it to generate this image. You can also select different models through this one. I'm thinking of photorealism, but I think Recraft Raw has better results in the end of the day, but whatever, let's try photoreal. And we're waiting for the image to get generated. I selected two images so we can see variations. You can increase this if you want to. And here you can add negative prompts. For example, you may not want trees. You may not want an SUV. So I will write SUV. We don't want that. And here is the other image. Super realistic, very, very nice. You can zoom in through this place over here or control and scroll inside. All right, so you can see a bad face over here, but the quality is, I've got to say, is super, super nice. All right, if you click, you can see the prompt. If you click out of this image, you can actually generate another image. So I'm going to generate another image right over here. I'm tapping my middle, the middle mouse button to move up, left, everywhere in this canvas. So let's select to generate this high quality image that I was just talking about. This is the prompt and you can see that the prompt cannot be very, very big. So this is something that you should take note of. Your prompt can't be huge. It has to be a little bit condensed. So you can ask ChatGPT, please reduce the word count of the prompt in order to be able to fit it in this project. All right, so we ask ChatGPT essentially to reduce the prompt. So let's try this prompt first. All right, we paste this over here and click to Recraft. So it will generate another 2 images. Of course, you can invite your friends through these earned credits, which will give you more credits, more image generations. This is very, very nice because you can, refer friends over to this page and get more credits, so you can generate images for free. And we will see the pricing in just a little bit. So you can see here the image. Not bad, but it feels like it's super low quality for some reason. So what I'm going to try is I'm going to try and generate another image over here. I'm going to use the same prompt, same aspect ratio, but this time I'm going to try and use the photorealism prompt. So let's give this a try. Again, you have to remember that Recraft, I haven't told you till now, but Recraft is supposed to be one of the best models out there. And on benchmarks, it actually is the very best one, according to user queries. So let's see if this prompt is going to lead to a better result. Let's just wait and see. Hopefully it will be a lot better, more high quality. So we're waiting for the generation, and if you want to have a very specific style, you absolutely need to select a very specific option over here. So I will also try with motion blur in a little bit. So you can see the cars here. I would not say it's that amazing. And the reason for this is that because I've added the specific type of, let's say, brand, it has some copyright things over to the image causing artifacts. So let's try something different, actually. Let's try something different. Let me show you something super awesome for people that may be interested. So let's say that we want to copy an image from online, from online. All right. So let's say, I don't know, let's try and generate a thumbnail. All right. So let's go to Mr. Beast channel. And if you want to see more of these kind of videos, press the like button and, press the like button and follow for more, I would guess. So we want to generate, I don't know, what image should be nice. I would say let's try and generate, I don't know, let's say to generate this image. It seems nice and it's also quite simple. All right, so we'll go create highly detailed prompt that explains and describes this image. I want this prompt to be optimized in order to generate a similar image through AI. Okay, so let's try. You take a screenshot or you upload the image you want here, Control Paste, Control V. You give this prompt to ChatGPT and it should provide a description for this image. Again, the quality of the screenshot is not that great. Maybe if you have a very specific image, it's going to be a lot better. So this is the prompt. Let's try and see what Recraft comes up with. All right, Control Paste, Control V. Again, a little bit of the prompt is cut out, so let's stop it here. Click Recraft and let's see what the result is going to be. Let's see what the result is going to be. Again, you have so many generations for free every day. You can see here I have already done like 4 to, I think, 6 images. Now this is the 8th. And we've got so many more credits. And you can see this very high quality image. Very, very nice. Again, the person's face has a little bit of a problem, but I would say that it's not that far off. Let's describe the image, the camera's perspective, and reduce the prompt length. All right, so we want a shorter prompt and we also want a different perspective. So we say to do this, so we get a different kind of prompt. So let's see what the result would be. So if I was to generate this image, try, to copy this image as much as possible, I would go here on photorealism. That's what I would select. Maybe I'm wrong, but I would click Recraft, maybe add 4 image generations as well, maybe. But let's see what the result will be with this prompt. Again, you want to be iterating. You want to try and improve your prompt as much as possible. And boom. All right. This is arguably a little bit better. Again, there are a lot of artifacts about the bridge, for example, but this is not bad. For example, you could use Photoshop removal to remove this person, add yourself, and it would be a very nice image, in my opinion, because it looks good. The bridge is there, grass is there as well. The person is moving. You could add yourself moving, actually. Shadows. It's not bad, really. It's not bad. But again, I think the problem is with the prompt. Describe where the person is pointing to. All right, so we want another iteration. So let's keep improving. Let's keep improving the prompt. So I'm going to try and improve over the current generation by adding a little bit more details. Let's check it out. Again, you will find the link for Recraft down below in the description. So let's check this out. Should be better. It absolutely should be better. And boom, you can see that this is an absolutely great image. Again, the problem for me is that the person is not looking at us. But this is, if I could use it in a thumbnail, this would absolutely cook. I would do a little bit of changes, a little bit of better coloring, but this as an image and perspective, and this one as well, these are absolutely amazing. It's very high quality. And again, it's all about the prompt, guys. The quality, the details, the things that it can explain. You know, it's amazing. The photo is the man is moving and looking towards the camera. The colors are a bit orange. The colors of the bridge is oranges, and let's give a prompt. And the sky is blue. Whatever, some silly difference. Maybe this improves the prompt. Maybe the result is a lot better. Let's see. Maybe it's total garbage. Maybe it is. But you want to be iterating on the prompt. You want to give the correct details. ChatGPT a lot of times does not generate the correct prompt. And this guy is about to fall off the bridge. So, all right, this is beautiful. This is such a good job. The man is moving and looking towards the camera. This is not respected. This is not respected at all by the software. So let's try Recraft Raw. Let's try this one. Last generation, guys, for this video, because I'm eating up all of my credits and I really need them for my personal projects. So let's give it a try. Let's see. Let's wait. All right, this is absolutely astonishing. The guy keeps pointing exactly the wrong way. For some reason, we cannot generate this image. Maybe, I really want to make this work, guys. The person, all right, so the man looking towards the camera. All right, we are going to change this, but it also captured here the oranges style. Really like it. The sky is blue, not accepted. Let's give this one more try. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to generate Recraft AI tutorial. So I'm going to absolutely do a theft over here. Let me show you exactly how. So best AI image generator. So look at this. Look at how you can create thumbnails for a very easy way. All right. So here you can see like this thumbnail, and let's ask ChatGPT to give me a detailed prompt to create a similar image. All right, so we are going to ask for this, and yeah, I cannot make the man point towards the camera. No matter what I'm trying, the man just doesn't want to turn around. But you can remove this man, add yourself in the image, and it's absolutely going to be beautiful. All right. So yeah, maybe I'm losing something. Maybe I'm losing something. I don't know. I don't know why the person never looks at us. Like, this was such an insane loss from my side. So let's try and generate this image. Let's give this a look. Like, let's click here, move. All right, image. All right. This perspective. All right, Recraft. Let's try this one. Last image generation, just for the thumbnail of this video. Let's give it a try. Let's give it a try. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. It will probably be way off. So not bad. Not bad at all. I would say it's actually pretty good. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Like, I would click on this thumbnail. I would absolutely click. And maybe actually I'm going to use this thumbnail, probably put my face in it. So that will probably be very nice. This really seems like a good thumbnail. I like it. So how can I download this image? Let's see. Export as PNG. And boom, I downloaded it. I don't know. Let's see. Oh yeah, you can absolutely download the image. It's super high quality. Very nice to see. And yeah, here it is. Look at this. Very nice. And also this one. Both of these are very good thumbnails, in all honesty. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. Hopefully you found it useful. Make sure to check out my other videos that I will be uploading. And thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.